the ultimate study secrets of Ivy League superstars. Hello, studying machine. Are you ready to level up your study game with techniques used by the academic elites of Ivy League schools? Buckle up, because these strategies are game changers. 1. Active recall and spaced repetition. Imagine remembering everything you study like a wizard. Active recall means testing yourself on the material, while spaced repetition spaces out your reviews over time, cementing that knowledge deep into your brain. 2. Time management. Ever heard of Parkinson's law? It's the idea that work expands to fill the time you give it. Ivy League students set tight deadlines and strict study schedules to boost productivity and stay laser-focused. 3. Setting goals. Breaking down big tasks into bite-sized, achievable goals is a must. This way, you can easily track your progress and stay motivated. It's like turning a mountain into a series of fun, manageable hikes. 4. Group study. Study groups are where the magic happens. By sharing insights and teaching each other, students reinforce their understanding and make learning a social, supportive experience. Plus, it's way more fun. 5. Creating a conducive study environment. Libraries and quiet study zones are the go-to spots. Being around others who are also studying keeps the motivation high and distractions low. Find your Zen spot and watch your productivity soar. 6. Seeking help. Don't hesitate to ask for help. Whether it's professors or peers, getting clarification on tough topics can transform confusion into clarity. Remember, asking questions is a sign of strength, not weakness. 7. Avoiding cramming. Say goodbye to all-nighters. Ivy League students focus on consistent study habits over time. This steady approach ensures better retention and less stress. Your brain will thank you. 8. Utilizing technology. Digital tools like flashcards and study apps are the secret weapons. They make active recall and spaced repetition more interactive and efficient, turning study sessions into a high-tech adventure. As you can see, by adopting these powerful techniques, you can handle any coursework with ease and keep your life balanced and fulfilling. Get ready to crush your studies like an Ivy League superstar. Okay, friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed these Ivy League study secrets, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more awesome tips from Studying Machine. Keep learning and stay motivated. See you in the next video.